ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. Today we are going to go through 3 sargas of Adhyatma Ramayanam. In this series, I think this is the 5th time recording. We have, as we closed the last talk on this subject, we ended the Ayodhya Kanda with Sri Ramachandra Murthy meeting Atri Maharshi. So all the Ayodhya Kanda, Vanavasam, started the Vanavasam. Bharata came asking for going back, taking Rama back from the Aranyavasa. But Rama refuses it and continues his Aranyavasa. So thinking that people will keep coming, the Aranyavasa will be disturbed. So Atri Maharshi, he met Atri Maharshi, and taking Atri Maharshi's students as the guide to show the direction, he moved deep into the Dandakaranya. So Dandakaranya is a place where it is a very thick forest those days. Today I live in Dandakaranya, so it is no longer an aranya here. So Dandakaranya has become more of a cities and towns now. So at that time in the aranya, we follow Rama. So Rama has been taken towards north by Uttarayana to the Mithila Nagara by sage Vishwamitra. So then, having married there, he came back to Ayodhya, and from Ayodhya he has gone south. So Dakshinayana. So as he goes deep into the Aranyakanda, he starts meeting several demons, several Rakshasas, and he keeps releasing them from their curses and stuff like that. So in the first one is the Viradhavadha. So Viradha is a Rakshasa. So we'll go just touch upon the first and second sargas, and we'll read the third sarga where the most important Agastya Rama Samagamam will happen, where Agastya Maharshi gives Akshaya Bana Tuniras to Rama. And also there is obviously we are reading Adhyatma Ramayana, everywhere there will be a stotra. So Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Athatatra Dinam Sthitva Prabhate Raghunandanaha Snatva Munim Samamantya Prayanayopachakrame. So Atri Maharshi's ashrama, this is the beginning of the first sarga of Aranyakanda. So Mahadeva is saying, one day he stayed there one day, and next day morning, having woken up, taking the bath, and so he started to go. He said, I will go to deep into the forest, give me somebody to direct. Then Atri Maharshi says, you are the one who is directing everybody, and now you are asking me to give a direction to you. Right, so he sends people, and he gets into the deeper forest. As Rama, Sita and Lakshmana pass through the forest, they come across a great demon called Viradha. So this Viradha, between Viradha and Rama, the fight happens, and finally Viradha has been killed in the sense his legs are cut. So then Viradha actually चिच्छेद रुधिरौघेण प्रपात धरणीतले ततः सीता समालिंग्य प्रशंस्य रघुत्तमम्. So Sita, looking at that very fearful thing, Sita embraced Rama. Then Viradha starts speaking. Pranamya Ramam pranatartiharinam bhava prabaho paramam ghunakaram pranamya bhuyaha prananama dandavat prasanna sarvartiharam prasannathihi. So having released from that body of Viradha, so that Viradha, one who has been released, he is speaking. Sri Rama Viradha Vovacha Sri Rama Rajiva Dalayataksha Vidyadharoham Vimala Prakashaha Durvasasau Karana Kopamurtina Saptah Purasodya Vimochitastvaya. So once this Viradha tried to play a trick with Durvasa Maharshi. So Durvasa Maharshi gave a shapa. Because of that shapa, Viradha got a very fearful form. He continued in that form. So Vidyadhara, he used to have a power of taking any form. So he took a very fearful form and tried to come in front of Durvasa Maharshi to frighten him. So Durvasa Maharshi says, okay, you are enjoying this frightening others game, be like that. So with that one sapa, Viradha continued to become a Viradha, a Rakshasa. So then what is the remedy for that? How do I get relieved of this body? Which then he says, Rama will come one day, you will try to make him also frighten him as well. At that time he will correct your problem and he will remove this body. So that is what Durvasano Akarana Kopa Murtina. So according to him it is Akarana Kopa, but because you have some power, this Viradha's power is of having any Kama Rupa, means any Rupa he can take. He is misusing that power to frighten others. So Durvasa Maharshi said, you continue like that. So there is Akarana Kopa Murtina, he says, there is a Karana, means from Viradha's perspective it is Akarana Kopa Murti, but Durvasa has a Karana to be angry with Viradha. Saptapura Sodya Vimochitastvaya. So by Vimochita, Saptapura, previously I have been cursed by him, and now Vimochita Tvaya, by you I have been recovered, relieved from that vara. Itaparam Tvacharanaravindayo Smrutis Sadamestu Bhavopasantaye Tvannama Sankirtanameva Vani Karotu Me Karnaputam Tvadiyam. So Yataha Param, from now onwards, Tvacharanaravindayo Smrutihi Sadame Astu. So let your lotus feet be remembered in my mind. Smrutihi, in Smruti, in my memory, be cleared by your lotus feet. Always be there. Tvannama Sankirtanameva Vani. My speech should always sing your Sankirtana, your stotras to you. Karotu me Karnaputam Tvadiyam. So my and my Karnaputam ears should always listen about you. Kadhamrutam Tvadiyam Kadhamrutam Patu Karadvayante Padaravindarchanameva Kuryat Sirascha me Padayuga Pranamam Karotu Nityam Bhavadiyamevam. So like that, every body part, my head, my hands, let do the archana to you. My head do the pranamam, bowing down or namaskara to you. करोतु नित्यं भवदीयमेवं नमस्तुभ्यं भगवते विशुद्धज्ञानमूर्तये आत्मारामाय रामाय सीतारामाय वेधसे. So he only uses the 4 names. Simple stotra, one sloka. So Namastubhyam Bhagavate Vishuddha Jnanamurtaye Atmaramaya Ramaya Sitaramaya Vedhase. You are the Atma Rama and Rama. Atma Ramaya Ramaya. For Atma Rama, who is Rama, and known to the world as Sita Rama. Sita Ramaya Vedhase. Prasannam Pahimam Rama Yasyami Tvadanujnaya Devalokam Raghusreshta Maya Mam Mavrunotute. So Prasannam Pahimam Rama. So let you be graceful to me. Prasannam Pahi Mam Rama Yasyami Tvadanujnaya. By your anugnya, by your permission, Yasyami, I will leave from here. Tvadanugnya. Devalokam Raghusreshta. My loka, Devaloka, or the higher world where I used to stay. I will go there. Maya Mam Mavrunotute. Let your Maya not catch me again. Iti Vijnapitastena Prasanno Raghunandanaha. So he has only asked this one sloka. He has said, he introduced himself and he said, Namastubhyam Bhagavate, one sloka. Prasannam Pahi. So he asked every body, every indriya of me be in your seva. Iti Vijnapitena Prasanno Raghunandana. Raghunandana has become Prasanna. Means he has given the vara. Dadau varan tada prito viradhaya mahamatihi. Gaccha vidyadhara asesha maya dosha guna jitaha. Gaccha vidyadhara asesha maya dosha guna jitaha. One who have conquered all the maya gunas by, using his thing, whatever, shapa, release. So with that, whole of the process, he has cleared off his maya guna. So he has Tvaya maddarsanat sadyo mukto jnanavatam varaha. So by having the darsana, you have become muktaha, you have become jnani as well. Madbhaktir durlabha loke jatachen mukti dayataha atastvam bhakti sampannaha param yahi mamajnaya. So he has only asked, I will go to my loka. He said, param yahi, you will get the supreme by my ajna. I am giving you, you will get the mukti padam. So you madbhakti durlabha loke jatachen mukti da yataha. So madbhakti, so being devoted to me will result in mukti, complete freedom. That you will get it. So you can param yahi mamajnaya. Ramena rakshonidhanam sughoram sapad vimuktir varadanamevam vidyadharatvam punarevalabdham ramam grunanneti narokhilardhan. So this is the Phalasruti. So Ramena rakshonidhanam, by Rama, killing of Viradha, Rakshasa, killing of Rakshasa. Sughoram sapad vimuktir varadanamevam. By that killing, his sapad vimukti, he is getting out of the sapa, and Rama's varadanam, Rama is giving a vara to him. Vidyadharatvam punarevalabdham, for him getting the vidyadharatvam. Vidyadhara, one who holds the vidya. So their vidyadharas are knowledgeable, but due to this kind of overusing of the knowledge, they will get into this trouble like Viradha. So vidyadharatvam punarevalabdham ramam grunanneti naro akhilardhan. So one who reads, understands, studies this part, nara, any person, get akhilardhas, all 4 purusharthas. So we'll go to the Dvitiya Sarga. Dvitiya Sarga is about Rama meeting Sharabhanga Maharshi and Sutikshana Maharshi. Sharabhanga Maharshi is a very interesting Maharshi in the world. He gives all his taposhakti to Rama. He says, I am waiting for you to come. I have a huge amount of taposhakti which I have. I am giving it off to you. For that giving it off, I am sitting, I am waiting here for your arrival. And so Viradhe Swargate Ramo Lakshma Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Viradhe Swargate Ramo Lakshmanena cha Sitaya Jagama Sarabhangasya Vanam Sarva Sukhavaham Sarabhangastato Društva Ramam Saumitrina Sahaha Ayatam Sitaya Sartham Sambhramaduddhita Sudhihi Abhigamya Susampujya Vishnureshu Pavesayat Atidhya Makaroshattam Kandamula Phaladhibihi. Having given a lot of Kandamula Phalas, Kandamulas are the roots which these tapasis generally consume. They generally dig the roots up from the plants, the root bulbs, Kanda Mula, such kind of Kanda, and not many people like those kind of yam kind of a thing. But in that fruits and Kanda Mulas are the what generally there. So different types of Kanda Mula Phaladibhihi, right from the several fruits have been given. Samarpa Ramasya, so having given that, he says all that there is no, it is only the dhyana. So how he does the dhyana. So he gives that and he says, all my tapas Shakti, I will give it to you. Then he says, having seen you, I have fulfilled my desire. So now this body has no more things to be done. So I will enter into the fire and move on from here. So he takes the permission from Rama, moves on into the fire and goes into the leaving the body, he moves, he takes a divine form and goes up into the higher lokas. Then Sutikshna Maharshi is a disciple of Agastya Maharshi. He is a very important character in Yoga Vasishta as well, because this Sutikshna, Yoga Vasishta in the Guru Parampara, Sutikshna Maharshi is one of those who heard, one of the very early recipients of Yoga Vasishta Maharamayana. So Sutikshna Maharshi takes him, then so Sutikshna Maharshi does a stotra. So let us quickly read that Sutikshna Maharshi's stotra to Rama. So having again seen Rama, Sutikshna Uvacha. Tvan mantra japya Hanumanta gunaprameya sitapate siva virinchi samashritangre samsara sindhu taranamalapotapada Ramabhirama Satatam Tavadasa Dasaha Mamadya Sarva Jagatam Avigocharastvam Mam Adya Sarva Jagatam Avigocharastvam Tvanmayaya Suta Kalatra Gruhandhakupe Magnam Nirikshya Malapudgala Pindamoha Pashanubhatta Hrudayam Swayamagatosi. So the people are getting into this samsara moha by your maya. That is what it is saying. You are not gochara to anybody, not seen by anybody. Tvam sarva bhota hrudayeshu krutalayopi tvan mantra japya umukheshu tanoshi mayam tvan mantra sadhana paresh vapayati maya sevanurupa phaladosi yatha mahipaha. So Rama mantra japa is what Sutikshna was doing. So he is telling how great the Rama mantra japa is. Tvan mantra tvam sarvabhuta hrudayoshu krutalayopi tvan mantra japya vimukhoshu tanoshi mayam. So those who are not doing your mantra japa, they will continue to be deluded as this body I am. So they will not be able to see in the heart you. So tvan mantra sadhana pareshvapayati maya, tvan mantra sadhana pareshu. Those who are interested in your mantra sadhana, the maya will leave them. సేవానురూప ఫలదోసి యథామహీపః విశ్వస్య సృష్టి లయ సంస్థితి హేతురేకః త్వమ్మాయయా త్రిగుణయా విధిరీశ విష్ణుః భాసీత మోహిత ధియాం వివిధాకృతిస్త్వం యద్యద్ రవి సలిలపాత్రగతో హ్యనేకః. హి టేక్స్ అప్ ఎన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీబడి హోల్డింగ్ వన్ పాత్ర, వన్ vessel filled with water, and everybody seeing a reflection of sun in their own water, their own vesseled water. Salilapatragatopi haneka yadyad ravihi, everybody is seeing a reflection of sun in their own small patra. So like that they are seeing, everybody is seeing as differently, but there is only one Ravi, one sun which is there. So bhasisa mohita dhiyam vividhakrutisvam, bhasisa mohita dhiyam, dhiya mind, mohita deluded mind thinks that all these are different. Prakshakshatodya bhavata charanaravidam pasyami rama tapasah paratah stitasya drugrupa tasya masatam avigocharopi tvan mantra pota hrudayeshu sada prasannaha. So tvan mantra pota hrudayeshu, the hearts purified by your mantra, purified by your mantra japa, those hearts will be able to recognize your feet as single, one everywhere in the hearts of all this. Sada prasanna pasyami rama tavaropa marupinopi mayavidambana krutam sumanushya vesham kandarpakoti subhagam kamaniya chapa bana dayardhra hrudayam smrtacharuvartam. So now I am able to see you, Rama, even though you are not seen by anybody. Such a great form. So saguna rupa dhyanam. So Rama cannot be seen is one thing, but those people who have seen him, they have seen him like kandarpa koti, like 1 crore manmadhas or crores of manmadhas come. Manmadha, one manmadha itself is very beautiful. He can delude the whole world. So kandarpa koti subhagam kamaniya chapabanam dayardhra hrudayam smitacharuvartram, having a beautiful smile on your face, having dayardhra hrudayam, having a great form to see with the bana and kodanda, the protection of you. I am able to see your Sita sameta ajinambaram aprapthrusyam సౌమిత్రిణ నియత సేవిత పాదపద్మం నీలోత్పలద్యుతి మనంతగుణం ప్రశాంతం మద్భాగధేయమనిశం ప్రణమామి రామం. సో ఐ బౌ డౌన్ టు రామ who is with Sita, Janaki, Sita sametam ajinambaram. He is wearing the dress of a rishis, ajinambaras, not the princely dresses. సౌమిత్రిణ నియత సేవిత పాదపద్మం నీలోత్పలద్యుతి మనంత గుణం ప్రశాంతం మద్భాగధేయమనిశం ప్రణమామి రామం. జానంతు రామ తవ రూపమశేష దేశ కాలాద్యుపాధిరహితం ఘనచిత్ ప్రకాశం ప్రక్షక్షతోద్య మమ గోచరమేతదేవ రూపం విభాతు హృదయే నపరం వికాంక్షే. సో లెట్ దిస్ ఫార్మ్ get imprinted in my heart, get printed thoroughly in the heart. Janantu Rama Tavaroopam Asesha Desa Kaladhyupadhirahitam. It is not limited to one desa, one place. Kala, one time. Rama is seen in Treta Yuga, Kruta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, nothing like that. Neither any Yuga, nor no time distinction, no place distinction is there for your Roopam. Kalad upadhi rahitam ghanachit prakasam, solid pure consciousness. Ghanachit prakasam, the light of that consciousness which is solid. Ghanachit prakasam. Prakshakshatodyamama Metadeva Rupam Vibhatu Hridayena. So I'll get imprinted. So I have seen that. Ityevam Stotavastasya Rama Smitamavabravit Mune Janamite Chittam Nirmalam Madhupasanat. So Rama said, "Oh Muni, I know your mind. Mune Janamite Chittam." So with a smiling face, Rama said, "Oh Muni, I know your mind. Atoham agato drashtum madrute nanyasadhanam manmantropasaka loke mameva saranangataha." So Rama is now approving the mantropasana, Rama mantropasana. He is saying, "Atoham agato drashtum, ataha aham agato drashtum." So I came here to see. I came here to see Madrute Nanya Sadhanam Manmantropasaka Loke Mameva Saranangata Manmantra Upasaka Loke Mameva Saranangata Nirapeksha Nanyagatas Tesham Drusyohamanvaham Stotrametat Pathedyastu Tatkrutam Matpriyam Sada Sadbhaktirme Bhavetasya Jnanancha Vimalam Bhavet Tvam Mamopasana Deva Vimukto Asi Iha Sarvataha Dehante Mamasayujyam Lapsate Natra Samsaya Gurunte Drashtumichami Yagastyam Muninayakam Kinchitkalam Tatravastum Manome Tvarayatyalam. So Rama said, those who study this stotra, who get interested in doing my mantra upasana, Sadbhaktir me bhavet tasya, their bhakti will become purified. Sadbhaktir me bhavet tasya, jnanancha vimalam bhavet, their jnanam also will be purified. Tvam mamopasana deva vimukto asi iha sarvataha. Mama, for you are freed from everything now. Dehante mama sayujyam lapsate natra samsayaha. You will be merged, mama sayujyam, in me only. There is at the end of your deha, dehante mamasayudyam lapsate natra samsaya. There is no doubt in that. Gurunte drashtumichhami Agastyam Muninayakam. Your Guru, Agastya Maharshi, I wanted to see him. Take me there. Kinchitkalam tatravastum manome tvarayatyalam. So I have to. It has been long time seeing him. So now I wanted to see him. My mind is Tvarayatyam. I want to quickly go and see him. Sutikshnopi tathatyeha swagamishyati Ramaha. Sutishna said, "Okay, tomorrow only we will go. Hamapyagamishyami chiradrushto mahamunihi adha prabhate munina sameto Rama sasita sahalakshmanena agastya sambhashana lolamanasaha Sainairagastyanuja mandiram yayau." So Sita, Rama and Lakshmana with Rama is very interested to speak to Agastya Maharshi. They started going. So that is the greatness of Agastya Maharshi. Tritiya Sarga. So this Sarga is what I wanted to read actually. Agastya's great teaching is there in this Sarga. This is about 50 slokas. We'll try to cover as quickly as possible. Agastya Munivara. So Tritiya Sarga. It will start. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Atha Rama Sutikšnena Janakya Lakshmanena Cha Agasthyanu Jastanam Majjahne Samapadyata. By the afternoon they have reached there. Tena Sampujata Samyak Bhuktva Mulabhaladikam Pathetyu Pratarudjaya Jagmusme Agastya Mandalam. So by all this discussion is happening, afternoon, they said tomorrow morning we will go, that is what it is repeating. Sarva Rutu Phala Pushpadjam Nanam Mruga Gunairyutam Pakshi Sanghaischa Vividhair Naditam Nandanopamam. So after the several types of fruits are grown there, fruits and flowers, Nana Mruga Gunairyutam, all different types of mrugas, all animals are there in that. Pakshi Sanghaischa, different types of birds. Vividhair Naditam Nandanopamam. They are making their own sounds. Naditam. Naditam Nandanopamam. I remember my Guru's ashrama with that kind of nadas. They keep making sound. బ్రహ్మర్షిర్ దేవర్షిభిః సేవితం మునిమందిరైః సర్వత్రోలంకృతం సాక్షాత్ బ్రహ్మలోకమివాపరం. సో సాక్షాత్ బ్రహ్మలోకం, యాజ్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రహ్మలోక, సాక్షాత్ బ్రహ్మలోకమివాపరం. బహిరేవాశ్రమాస్యాధ్య స్థిత్వా రామో బ్రవీన్ మునిం సుతీక్ష్ణ గచ్చత్వం శీఘ్రం ఆగతం మాం నివేదయ. సో హ్యావింగ్ రీచ్డ్ దిస్ ఆశ్రమ, Rama is following his protocol. Bahireva ashramasya sthitva Ramo abravид munim sutikshna gachatvam. O Sutikshna Maharshi, you go inside. Tell Agastya Maharshi that I came here. Agastya Munivaryaya Sitaya Lakshmanena cha Mahaprasada ityuktva Sutikshna prayayau guroho. So Sutikshna, you go and tell Agastya Munivaryaya, for the sake of Agastya Muni, Sitaya Lakshmanena cha, with Sita and Lakshmana, Mahaprasada ityuktva Sutikshna prayayau guroho. Sutikshna went in, yeah, I can inform. What else I need? Ashramam tvaraya tatra rushi sangha samavrutam upavishnam ramabhaktair viseshena samayutam vyakhyata ramamantrardham sishyebhyascyati bhaktitaha tat drushtvagastyam munisreshtam Sutikshna prayayau muneh. So Agastya is sitting there and talking about Rama mantra to the other rishis at that time. Vyakhyata Rama mantrartham. He is doing a vyakhyana of Rama mantra artha. So Sutikshna went there. Sutikshna prayayau munehe. He reached the Muni. Dandavat parinipatyaha vinayayanatah sudhihi. So he fell at the feet. Dandavat pranipatya. When Guru is in, the first thing to be done, as per the Shastra, is Dandavat pranipatya. You fall down like a stick falls. Nothing else. Dandavat pranipatya. Vinayavanatah sudhihi. Ramo dasaradhir brahman. Sitaya lakshmanena cha agato darshanarthante. Bhistishthati pranjalihi. So Sutikshna is telling to Agastya Maharshi, Ramo Dasaradhi Brahman, O Brahman, he is addressing Guru. Brahman, this is an address of Guru. O Brahman, supreme reality, Rama, Dasaradhi, Dasaradha's son Rama, Sitaya Lakshmanenecha, Agato Darshanarthante, he came to have a darsana of you. Bhistishthati pranjali. He is putting a pranjali, anjali, and sitting outside. So Agastya Uvacha. Agastya starts saying this. Agastya Uvacha. Seghramanaya bhadrante ramam mama hrudisthitam tameva dhyayanamanoham kankshamaanotra samsthitaha. Shighramanaya bhadrante, bring him fast. Bhadrante, Ramam mama hrudisthitam. Ramam mama hrudisthitam. He is sitting in my heart. Tameva dhyayamanoham. I always do the dhyana of him only. Kankshamaano atra samsthitaha. So he came all the way sitting there. Ityuktva swayamuttaya munibhi sahito dhrutam. Muni got up from his seat. Abhyagat paraya bhaktya gatya Rama matha pravit. Having, he went along, he got up from his seat, rushed to Rama. Agacha Rama badhrantve. Dishtvatedya samagamaha. Priyatidhir mama prapto sadyame saphalam dinam. Priya Atithi, you are the most desired Atithi. Ramopi Munimayatam Društva Harsha Samakulaha. Is Rama Harsha Samakula. Rama is Rama has become very happy. Harsha Samakula, his eyes became wet, moistened with the Harsha Samakula. Sitayar Lakshmanenapi Dandavat Patito Bhuvihi. Rama fell on the floor to bow down to the Rishi Agastya. Dhrutamuthyapya Munirad Alingya Bhaktitaha. So Dhrutam Udrutya. So Rama fell at the feet and Muni is pulling his by the shoulders. Udrutya and Alingya embraced Rama. Bhaktitaha. Kadgatra sparsya jahlada prasannetra jalakula. So having did that embrace, his eyes are filled with bhakti and jalakulaha. Gruhitva karamekena karena raghunandanam, having held the one hand with the hand of Raghunandana's hand. Gruhitva karamekena karena raghunandanam jagama swasramam hrushto manasa munipungavaha. Into the ashrama he is taking. So what a great sight. Okay, now Sukhopavishtam Sampujya Pujaya Bahuvistaram. So now Agastya Maharshi did a Bahuvistaram Puja of a very grand procedure. He did worship of Rama. Bahuvistaram. Bhojayitva Yadhanyayam Bhojair Vanyair Anekadha. So different types of forest produce has been given to Rama. How? Sukhopavishtamekrante Ramam Sesini Bhananam, like a moon who is sitting Rama, making him sit comfortably. Krutanjali Ruvachedam Agastyo Bhagavan Rishihi. Krutanjali with Anjali Mudra, having folded hands, he is talking to Rama. Bhagavan Rishihi. Bhagavan Rishihi. Rishi is Bhagavan. Jnanavan Rishihi. Bhagavan Rishihi. Tvadagamanamevaaham pratikshas samavastitaha yadakshira samudraante brahmana prardhita pura. So for you only I am waiting. From the time the Kshira Samudra in the Milky Ocean, Brahma came and did a prarthana to you. From that time I am waiting here. Bhumer Bharapanutyartham Ravanasya Vadhayacha Tadadi Darsanakankshi Tavarama Tapascharan. So having known that you will come as Rama, I have been doing this tapascharan vasami munibhis sardham tvameva parichintayan. Having always thinking about you, I stay here. Sushte prageka evasir nirvikalpo nubadhikaha tvadasraya tvadvishaya mayate sektiruchyate. So Srushte prageka evasin. Before the Srushti, Prag, Eka Evasin, having only one, Nirvikalpo Anupadhikaha. No Vikalpa, no changes, Anupadhikaha, not having any Upadhis. Nirvikalpo Anupadhikaha. Tvadasraya, Tvadvishaya, Mayate Sektiruchyata. So, everything is Ashraya, is entered in you, Tvadvishaya. You being the object. You are the only object, you are the Tvadasraya, Tvadveshaya, Mayate Sektiruchyate. Your Maya also is in you. Tvameva Nirgunam Sektir Avrunoti Yada Tada Avyakrutam iti Prahur Vedanta Parinishtitaha. Those who have studied Vedanta, they will say that state as avyakrutam. So technical words Agastya is giving avyakrutam iti. So tvameva nirgunam shaktiravrunoti yada tada. When you are nirguna, Shakti is submerged in you, avrunoti yada tada, as if she is submerged in you. Don't even know whether she is there or not. Only when she comes out or only when she starts showing gunas, the Shakti will be understood. Otherwise, it is called Nirguna, Nirgunam, Avyakrutam. The name given by the Vedanta Vijnanas or the Sankhya Yogis is Avyakrutam iti prahur. So, this is known as Avyakrutam. Mula Prakriti Rityeke Prahur Mayeti Kechana. Some people will call it as Mula Prakriti, some people will call it as Prahur Mayeti Kechana, some will call as Maya. Avidya Samsrutir Bandha Ityadi Bhautochyate. Exactly the same sloka comes in Yoga Vasishtha. So these are all the synonyms for the same thing. That Avyakrutam only, known as Mula Prakriti, Avyakte, Prahur Maye, it is also known as Maya. It is also known as Avidya. This is known as Samsruti, that is known as Bandha or the attachment. Ityadir Bhaudochyate. Ityadi. Starting like this, so many names are there for this Shakti, for this fundamental Avyakruta Shakti, which is as if there in you. Tvaya Sankshobhyamanasa Mahattatam Prasuyate. Tvaya Sankshobhyamana. By you, Sankshobhyamana, initiated, ignited, by you, Tvaya Sankshobhyamana sa Mahattattvam Prasuyate. She gives birth to a tattvam known as Mahattattvam. Mahattattvam Prasuyate. Mahattattvad Ahankara. From this Mahattattva, the Ahankara, the I sense, ego in English, I. Ahankaras Tvaya Sanchodita Abhut. So, Abhut, it becomes of Ahankara. So, Tvaya Sankshobhyamana sa Mahattattvam Prasuyate. That Mula Prakriti gives birth to Mahattattvam. We can call him as Brahma, not a problem. But yeah, that comes later. From that Mahattattvam comes Ahankara. Ahankaras Tvaya Sanchodita Bhavat. Ahankaro Mahattattva Samrutis Trivido Bhavat. By this, the interaction between Ahankara and Mahattattva Samvruti, the Vrittas or the enclosures, three types. Trividho Bhavat, Satviko, Rajachastaiva, Tamasascheti Bhanyate. So there are three enclosures between this Ahankara Mahattattva happens, three relationships. Those relationships are known as, or those samsrutis are known as Samvrutas Trividho Bhavat. Those three samvrutis, avrutis are there, enclosures, three types of enclosures bhavet. They are known as Satvika, Rajasa, Tamasa, three gunas. Tamasat Sukshma Tanmatra Nyasan Bhutanyatah Param Sthulani Kramaso Rama Kramottara Gunaniha. So from the Tamasa, the Sthulani Kramasho Rama, the gross elements, 5 Panchabhutas, they will one after the other, from the space to the earth, Sthulani, they become more grosser, Kramaso Rama Kramottara Gunaniha. So they will keep going, coming out. Rajasani Indriyanyeva Satvika Devata Manaha. By that Rajasa Avruta, Indriyas are the sense organs, Pancha Tanmatra sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, those organs. Rajasani Indriyanyeva Satvika Devata Manaha. From the Sattva Guna, mind, the subtle form is formed. So subtle, Indriyas and gross. So that is Tamasa, Rajasa, Satvika Gunas. These three enclosures are formed. Satvika Devatama, Tebhyo Abhavat Sutra Rupam, Tebhyo Abhavat Sutra Rupam, Lingam Sarvagatam Mahat. So this is known as Lingam. Sarvagato, that is the lingam or the egg, cosmic lingam, the whole world. Sarvagatam Mahat. So Mahat becomes encompassing everything. So Mahat, Hankara, Madhya, these three gunas are forming and all these things come. Tato Virat Samutpannaha. From there is born known as Virat. Virat Rupam. Virat Samutpannaha. Sthuladbhuta Kadambakat. Virajaha Purushat Sarvam Jagat Savara Jangamam. So from this lingam, from this cosmic lingam, Purusha, Jagat Savara Jangamam, the Virat Purusha, Virajeshwara, Virat Purusha is born. So the form of Vishwam is created in that. Deva Tiryang Manusyascha Kala Karma Krimenatu Tvam Rajo Gunato Brahma Jagataha Sarvakaranam. So Devas are the bright beings, Tiryak, the dark beings who are underneath, Manusyascha, the middle beings, human beings, Kala Karma Krimenatu, the time movement and the action, the linkage between cause and effect, Karma Krama. All these things will come. Tvam Rajogunato Brahma Jagataha Sarvakaranam. In that Rajoguna, you are only known, come to know as Brahma. Jagataha Sarvakaranam. Of this world, of Sarvakaranam, the single cause of this world. Satvad Vishnustvamevasya. Rajoguna is Brahma. Satvad Vishnustvamevasya Palaka Sadbhiruchyate Laye Rudrastvamevasya Tan Maya Gunabhedataha. Your Maya only manifests as Vishnu, Palakaha Sadbhiruchyate, as a protector of this world, and the same Maya, Rudrastvamevasya, you only reflects yourself into the Tamasa, third aspect, as Rudra. Tvanmaya Gunabhedataha. Jagrat Swapna Sushupyakhya Vrutayo Buddhijair Gunaihi. So again three Jagrat Swapna Sushupti, three states are being explained by Agastya Maharshi. Jagrat Swapna Sushuptakhya Vrutayo Buddhijair Gunaihi. Tasam Vilakshano Ramaha Tvam Sakshi Chinmayo Vyayaha. You are the witness of these three states, Jagrat, Swapna, Shushuptakhya, Vrittayaha. Again, they are also enclosures. They enclose an individual into one state or the other. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptakhya, having said Akhya, they have been known, they have been told as such things three. Vrittayo, Buddhi Jair Gunaihi, Buddhi, intellect. They are born of the intellect. Buddhi Jair Gunaihi, they are the three gunas. Equivalent of the gunas of intellect. Tasam Vilakshano Rama. You are distinct from all the three. Vilakshano Rama. Tvam Sakshi Chinmayo Avyayaha. You are the Sakshi, witness, Chinmayaha. Filled with consciousness, space of consciousness. In that space of consciousness, these three vrittis are coming. Srushti Leelam Yada Kartum Ihase Raghunandana Angikaroshi Mayam Tvam Tadavai Gunavaniva. So Srushti Leelam Yada Kartum Ihase Raghunandana. So in this way, you will do the Srushti Leela, the play of manifestation. Srushti Leelam Yada Kartum Ihase Raghunandana Angikaroshi Mayam Tvam Tadavai Gunavaniva. So Angikaroshi Mayantam. So you will allow your Maya to perform this Srushti Leela. You will Tadavai Gunavaniva. You will appear as if you have all these gunas. You have all these gunas. Rama Maya Dvidhabhati Vidya Vidyeti Te Sada Pravrutti Marga Nirata Avidya Vasyavartinaha Nivrutti Marga Nirata Vedanta Ardha Vicharaka. So in these three lines, Agastya is saying, Rama, Maya, Dvidha Bhati. As Rama, as Maya. Duality, as two. Dvidha Bhati, you appear as dualistic, dual. Vidya avidyeti te sada. It is also known as Vidya and Avidya. Rama is Vidya, Maya is Avidya. Avidyeti te sada. That is also as a duality. Pravrutti marga nirata avidya vasavartinaha. Those who are on the pravrutti marga, outgoing marga, they are always controlled by avidya vasavartinaha. They are in the control, vasha. They are under the control of avidya, vasavartinaha. They keep going. Nivrutti marga rahita, those who are going to go back to the source, nivrutti marga nirata, Vedantartha vicharakaha. Those will become vicharakas of those who are looking for the Vedanta Artha vicharakas. They are known as Nivrutti Marga Nirataha. Tvad-bhakti niratayecha tevai vidyamayaha smrutaha avidyavasaga yetu nityam samsarinascha te. Vidyabhyasa ratayetu nitya muktas. So there are clear distinctions. Those who are going forward in the pravrutti marga, avidyavasaga yetu nityam samsarinascha. They are got bound by the samsara, nityam. They keep going in the loop. Vidyabhyasarata yetu, those who are Vidya. Vidya is Rama. That equivalence is established by Agastya Maharshi earlier itself. Vidyabhyasarata yetu nitya muktascha yevahi. They will become ever bond free. Nitya muktascha evahi. Loke tvad-bhakti niratas tvanmantropasakascha ye vidya pradurbhavettesham netaresham kadachana. Those who are interested in doing the sadhana properly, knowing you as the supreme in this way, vidya pradurbhavettesham, for them vidya will be shown. Netaresham kadachana, those who are not devoted, not interested in nivrutti, not trying to go out of Maya, they will never get. Asatvad-bhakti sampanna, atastvad-bhakti sampanna mukta eva nasamsayaha tvad-bhaktamrutahinanam moksha swapnopi no bhavet. So tvad-bhakti, so mantra sadhana, bhakti. Asastvad-bhakti sampanna mukta eva nasamsayaha. One who has the bhakti, he is a mukta only, there is no doubt. So he will eventually be the mukta. Tvad-bhaktam bhaktam bhakti amrutahinanam moksha swapnepi nopi san. So that bhakti is not there, not even in the dream moksha will come. At least dream of moksha will not happen. Kin Rama bahunoktena saram kinchit bravidmite sadhu sangati revatra moksha hetur adadahrataha. So Agastya is telling the importance of sadhu sangama, satsanga, sitting with a realized person. So kin Rama bahunektam, why to tell so many ways of Rama? Saram kinchit bravimite, essence I will tell little bit. Sadhu sangati revatra moksha hetur udahrataha. Sadhu sangati, meeting a realized person, sitting with a realized person. Evatra moksha hetur udahrata, that is the cause of moksha. Moksha hetu. Sadhana samasittaye nispruha vigataishana danta prasantastvat-bhakta nivruta akhila kamanaha. Sadhana sadhavaha samachittaye, sadhu, one who has released from his rajoguna, tamoguna prapoka, sadhu, become balanced. Samachittaye, balanced mind. Nispruha vigata ishana, not attached. Nispruha vigata ishana, all desires gone. Dantaha, who is controlled? Dantaha, external sense control. Dantaha prashanta tvad-bhakta, shantaha, internally also controlled, not just external control, keeping on something like lockdown. So if people are forced to sit in the home, then the moment lockdown opens, everything will go back. So Shanta is inwardly also, without an external restriction, the Shantaha. Tvad-bhakta nivruta akhila kamanaha ishtaprapti vipatyoscha samaha sanga vivarjita Sannyastya karmana sarvada brahmatatparaha. So having given up sannyasta akhila karmanam, given up all the endeavors and doing only what comes to them. Sarvada brahmatatparaha. Always they are tatpara, they are established in that brahma jnana, brahma tatparaha. Yamadi gunasampannaha santushta yena kenachit. This santushta yena kenachit. Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Sri Krishna also says santushta yena, whatever is there, with that being happy. Santushta yena kenachit. Satsangamo bhavetyarhi tvat kadhas ravane ratihi. They will be interested in the satsanga, and also they will get a lot of interest in listening to your kadhas, your stories. Samudeti tato bhakti stvairama sanatane. So by such satsanga, where this bhakti is heard, or the stories are heard from a realized person, bhakti samudeti, udeti, takes a dawn. Like sun rises, bhakti rises. Samudeti tato bhakti stvairama sanatane. In sanatane rame, eternal rama, tvai bhakti, samudeti, it comes up. Tad bhakta upapannayam vijnanam vipulam sphutam. By that bhakti, vijnanam, not just knowledge, wisdom. Vijnanam vipulam sphutam. Vipulam, full in its full flow. Sphutam, without any doubts. It is like, not like the voice on the current internet connections. Clear. Half of the sound I am not able to hear you is not there. Sphutam, very clearly. Vipulam sphutam. Udeti bhakti margo yamad yat chatura sevitaha tasmad raghava sadbhakti tvayi me prema lakshana. So this sphuta, this is the prema lakshana, and getting that prema or love, or divine love from the heart. Tvayi me prema, in you the love arises, prema lakshana. Sadha bhuyadhare sangat tadbhakteshu visheshatah adya me safalam janma bhavat sandarsanad abhut. So Agastya Maharshi is saying, adya me safalam janma. Now, on this day, adya, at this moment, my janma, taking this body and going around in the loop as Agastya, safalam janma, it has become fruitful. Safalam janma, by your sakshatkara. Bhavat sandarsanat abhut. Bhavat sandarsanat, by seeing you, sandarsanat, seeing clearly, seeing in person, abhut. Ajjame kratavah sarve bhabhu safala prabho. All those actions, kratus, those yajnas I have done. Kratavah sarve bhabhu safala prabho. All my actions have become fruitified now. Dirghakalam maya taptam ananyamatina tapaha. What I have done for dirghakalam maya taptam, I have done lot of tapas. All that tapas has been fruitified now by you coming here. Tasyeha tapaso rama phalam tava yadarchanam yadame sitaya sartham hrudaye vasaraghava. So my tasyeha tapaso rama phalam tava yadarchanam. So if there is a result for this archana, now whatever archana I am doing, now worship what I am doing to you, if there is any such archana's phalam is there, sada me sitaya sartham hrudena vasa raghavaha. Sada, always, along with Sita, in my heart, live in my heart. Vasa, be there. Vas, wish to enter, vas to stay. To stay there, you be there, you get established there. Gacha tishtato vapi smrutis swanme sada tvayi. So by walking, by sitting, by doing whatever it is, smrutis swanme sada tvayi. My smriti, my memory be filled with you always. This is the request he is making. Iti stutva Ramanadham Agastyo Munisattamah Dadau Chapam Mahendrena Ramardhe Stapitam Puraha. So he is keeping a bow, Mahendra's bow. Mahendrena Chapam Ramardhe Stapitam Pura. For Rama, it has been kept in his ashrama. So that is, he has taken Akshayau Banatunirau Khadgau Ratna Vibhushitaha Jahiraghava Bhubhara Bhutam Rakshasa Mandalam. So giving Akshaya Bana Tuniras, he has given two Tuniras are the cases of Banas which will give Akshaya Bana, infinite number of arrows. Akshaya Bana Tuniras. Khadgau Ratna Vibhushitaha, he has given a Khadga, a sword, which is fitted with Ratnas, Ratna Vibhushitaha. Jehiravana Bhubhara Bhutam Rakshasa Mandaram. So he has said, Jehiravana, this Ravana, Rakshasas, who are causing this lot of trouble to this Bhumi, Bhubharam, they are causing bharam, heaviness to this earth. Bhubharam, Bhubhara Bhutam Rakshasa Mandalam. So Jehi, kill all of them. Yadardham avatirnosi Mayaya Manujakrutihi Ito Yojana Yugmetu Punya Kanana Manditaha. So he is directing now. So one Yojana Dora, in two Yojanas from here, there is a river, Godavari river. So Punya Kanana Manditaha Asti Panchavati Namna Asramo Gautami Tate. Gautami is the Godavari. Gautami Tate. Netavyas Tatra Te Kalaha. Netavya Tatra Te Kalaha Sesho Raghukulodvaha. You go and stay there. So he has given the required astras, means the weapons, divine weapons. He said, now you go to Yojana Vistir, to 2 Yojanas, and there is a river which is coming there. Panchavati is there. Stay there. Tatraiva Bahukaryani Devanam Kurusatpate. There only your Deva Karyam will be started, or you will do your Deva Karyas from there. This is a very emotional sarga for me. Atraiva Bahukaryani Devanam Kurutatpate Srutva Tadagascha Subhashitam Vachaha Stotrancha Tattvartha Samanvitam Vibhuhu Munim Samabhavshya Mudanvito Yayau Pradarsitam Margam Asesha Vidharihi. So there is no Falasruti said. Rama did not say anything about this. Whatever has been told. Srutva Tadagastya Subhashitam Vachaha. Having heard to this Subhashitam Vachaha, Stotrancha Tattvartha Samanvitam Vibhuhu. Stotram. Is it a stotram? No. Agastya Maharshi actually told the highest reality. Tattvartha Samanvitam Vibhuhu, the great Lord of this world, Vibhuhu. Munim Samabhashya Mudanvito Yayau, having Samabhashya, having spoken to Muni, and he started Pradarsitam, whatever Muni has told, in that Margam, in that path. So Rama is directed by Agastya Maharshi now. Pradarsitam Margam Asesha Vidharihi. So that Margam he has taken. Always it is a great sight whenever Iti Srimad Ramayana, Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana Antargata Uma Maheshwara Samvada Aranyakanda Tritiya Sarga. Aranyakanda 3 sargas we have completed for the day. So today is Ashtami Tithi of Vaisakha Masa. Very auspicious Tithi. It has been a great experience to read out and record this Agastya Rama Samvadam. May that Tattva, the philosophy, the spirituality put by Agastya forward, which has the core crux of whole of the philosophy. And these two great personalities, Agastya Maharshi and Rama, none other than the Parabrahma, the way they respect or deal with each other to those upadhis. Agastya Maharshi is a Maharshi. Rama is taken a princess human body. In that body, Rama is a student to be directed. He is seeking advice. He is seeking things from the Rishi. Rishi is giving them, but Rishi is not giving them with the ego. Yeah, I am giving this, nothing that. He knows the complete reality of Rama as Parabrahma, who is beyond Maya, but still directing in the story. As he has to go to Panchavati, he has come. So Rama has come, taking Sutikshna, comes there, waits, following the protocol. Don't rush into the ashrama. Or he with Kruta Pranjali, holding the Anjali, Rama stays outside. Sutikshna goes inside and informs the Rishi who is teaching Rama Vyakya, and Rishi coming, rushing out. All this is something which is called dharma. Each upadhi has its own maryada, dharma. So maryada Purushottama Rama. So along with spirituality, a lot of how to behave with gurus, how to behave with sages, what to do, how to approach them for anything is shown there. Let there be peace everywhere, and one and all feel that peace. Swasti.